Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Banku Babu. Student Banku Babu is the main character in this chapter. He is a teacher, but one strange thing is there about him that all the students and the people they all make fun of him. Students they used to tease him, but Banku Babu never get angry. He is always calm and he is very gentle. But at the end of the chapter, you will come to know that Banku Babu became very bold and confident. He was not afraid of anyone. He was not afraid of speaking anything in front of anyone. So let's see what happened with him, how he became so much bold and confident. Sometimes in your class also you have seen that there is one student and many other students they used to tease him or say anything. I think in almost in every class one or two students are like this. So Babu was also the same, but we can't say that these are not wise or these are not intelligent. This is their nature. So what we will learn from this chapter that if any student, any child is of this nature, he is quiet and calm, he is not speaking so much, so we should not tease him or we should not make fun of him. In place, we should help him. We should ask him problems. Okay, so let's start the chapter. No one had ever seen Banku Babu get angry. Banku Babu was never angry. No one has seen him ever that he was angry. He was a teacher at the Kanchigurgi Primary School. Every year a new batch of students came to be taught, but old or new, the tradition of teasing poor Banku continued among the students. All the students, whether they are of old batch or the new batch, they used to tease him. But Banku Babu never get angry. He was always calm and quiet. Only sometimes he would clear his throat and say, "Shame on you children." But sometimes he used to say that shame on you children. No any other word he used. As you can see in the picture, see, this is the gathering where many people are sitting and Banku Babu is also there. Okay, all the people they are sitting, but Banku Babu is very quiet. He is sitting quiet. Next paragraph. Banku Babu also went to the lawyer Shripati Majumdar's house on weekends. The lawyer was an important man and liked to collect as many people around him as possible. Banku Babu used to go to the lawyer's house. The name of the lawyer was Shripati Majumdar at the weekends. The lawyer was an important man and liked to collect as many people around him. The lawyer liked that many people should sit around him. He liked to talk to them. It made him feel very important. However, even here, nearly everybody poked fun at Banku Babu. But here also, in this gathering also, everybody made fun of Banku Babu. Sometimes his umbrella or his shoes would be hidden or he would be forced to sing. How they used to tease him? Sometimes they hid his umbrella, sometimes they hid his shoes. Like this they used to tease him. On one particular day, the topic of conversation was satellites. When they all get together, there was the topic of conversation about satellites. After a few minutes, you see the meaning of satellites is given in your book. The meaning of satellites is man-made objects put into space for experiments. What are satellites? The satellites that are sent into space for getting information about environment or for many other things. So after a few minutes of such conversation, Chandi Babu declared. After talking about this for a few minutes, Chandi Babu said something. You can say what you like, but I don't think we should waste our time worrying about satellites. Chandi Babu declared that you can say whatever you want, but I don't think that we should waste our time on talking about satellites. Satellites, he thought that satellites are not use for them. All right, said Nidhu Babu. Nidhu Babu said, okay, of course, it is a human achievement to build a satellite, but let's talk of something else. Nidhu Babu said that of course it is very good achievements of humans to build satellite, but let's talk of something else. What about a rocket? That is more important, isn't it? Then Nidhu Babu said, let's talk about rockets. Rocket is also very important thing. Then Chandi Babu wrinkled his nose. Wrinkled his nose means Chandi Babu did not like that so much. So what good is a rocket? Of course, what good is a rocket? Chandi Babu said that what good is about a rocket? Of course, if one was made here and one was to take off from the Maidan nearby, then we could go all and buy tickets to watch the show. Well, then that would be nice. But okay, so what the Chandi Babu said that okay, uh, what is good about rockets? If one was made here and one was to take off from the Maidan nearby, then what he said that we should go there, we could go there, and first we are to buy tickets and then we are to watch the show. Then what would be nice? You are right, Ramkanai agreed. Rockets have no meaning for us here. Ramkanai said, oh yes, you are right, rockets don't have any meaning for us here. Bhairav Chakravarti spoke up. Suppose some creature from a different planet arrived on earth. Who said this? Bhairav Chakravarti. That if any other creature from any planet arrived on earth, the others all dismissed this idea. No one would come here, and even if they did, you and I would never be able to see it. Everyone quietly sipped their tea for a few minutes. And Bhairav Chakravarti spoke up that if any creature from other planets come here, then what? For this, all the people they spoke, no one would come here, and if it would come here, we would not be able to see it. So everyone, after that, everyone was quiet and they started taking their sip of the tea. Suddenly, Banku Babu declared. Suddenly, Banku Babu declared his throat, cleared his throat, and said gently, suppose they came here. Banku Babu said, suppose if they came here, if the other creature from other planet came here, then what would happen? Nidhu Babu, Chandu Babu, and the others all pretended to be amazed. As Banku Babu spoke this, all other people, those who were there, they pretended that they are very surprised to listen this. Hey, Bankum said something. Hey, Bankum spoke something. Why did you say Bankum? What did you say, Bankum? What is coming? And from where? So they pretend as they were making fun of him that, oh, someone is coming. From where it is coming? And how it is coming? When it is coming? Like these questions they started asking from Bankum. Okay, today we are going to do up to here. Hope you all have understood. So, thank you very much. Be happy, be safe.